Good morning, you guys. Starting things off at Texas Roadhouse. A little bit late checking in with you. We ended up out till 2 a.m. Ubered home last night, and 2:30. Oh, yikes. Anyways, we put together a package and shipped it home with all of the extra stuff that we bought because we knew we weren't gonna have room for it. So we got that shipped out, and we are headed to the Badlands today. It's our last full day here in Sturgis, so you know, get any last-minute rides done, t-shirt shopping, vendor stopping, whatever. But this is we're nearing the end here, unfortunately. So yeah, we're gonna get a steak here at Texas Roadhouse. This is basically gonna be our brunch, and then make our way to the Badlands, check that out, and see where the day takes us.
Got me cracking the other one because I'm failing at this
Love it. It's amazing land.
Yeah, they said it was bad land. Looks like pretty good land to me. 37 million years ago, the ancient crystalline core of the Black Hills had already been exposed by erosion.
Holy Hannah.
I can already tell our adventure through Badland Park is going to be awesome. Really cool lava rocks. The scenery is just incredible. We're gonna get back on the bikes, get to the next location, see what we find. All right, been a couple hours since I checked in with I've checked in with you guys. We made it back from the Badlands. We got a quick little cookie and ice cream situation. Didn't film it, just enjoyed. We're ready to hit the town. Last night, we're doing Iron Horse. Yellow Wolf is playing, so I don't know if you guys are familiar with him. He's been around a long time. Pretty good music. Should be fun. I'm sure the crowd is gonna be crazy. I'm not gonna be out too late probably because we do have to pack up and head out in the morning.
Thank you, Sturgis. Thank you. I love you so much. See you next time.
All right, good morning, you guys. We're packing things up. It is go home day for us, or at least start heading to home. I forgot I told you guys I was gonna show you the place. So quick tour now that we're leaving, and made it a mess. And yeah, we'll get things rolling here. So we got our own little kitchenette area here. Chloe's been making us coffee every morning. Nice little dining room. He is a Harley owner, has a few himself, so he's got like poker chip stuff, Harley Davidson blankets, a lot of cool memorabilia, really cool photography. He actually is a photographer. He's done his own work here. Really cool stuff. He's got a little informational thing, you can check him out. Yeah, so cool little like downstairs living room. This is the downstairs of their house. It's completely blocked off. You'd never know they were living up above us, so I mean, it's pretty sweet. Floors look cool. I really like this like stain they did on the concrete. Bathroom, 2-bedroom, nothing to it really. But yeah, really cool little spot. I recommend it to anyone that wants to stay here, especially since they are a motorcycle family. They get it, man. They had covers set out in the front yard and cornhole and Sturgis banners and all this stuff. Anyways, we are almost packed up here. Got the tour pack back on the bike. I noticed that he has some stickers on the fridge, so I asked him if he minded if we put an off-road garage on there. He said, do it. So we got to stick a sticker on there. All right, we're gonna give him one of the premium ones with that little holographic finish. All right, we are on Main Street for the last time this year. Girlfriend wanted to swing by the Sterling Silver Shop one more time. She found a ring there she liked the other day that she got, and she's thinking about getting a couple more for mom and one of her friends. So yeah, you can see it died down quick. Just as always, they come quick and they leave quick. So yeah, rally is over. It's over. Everybody's going home, repenting their sins, and we'll do it again next year.
I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I had about 10 minutes left.
10 minutes left until what?
Until you guys were in trouble.
Just to clarify, we're about 15 minutes from Sturgis, so we didn't make it too far. You eat too much there, buddy? Yeah. Well, I'm full.
I'm very satisfied, very happy.
I'm gonna finish this cup of coffee and hopefully it keeps us awake for a while. We're gonna go through Sundance and then up into Devil's Tower, go around it, check it out, get a few pictures, and then from there make our way back down, and we're gonna hit 90. Okay, well, one thing led to another. We followed this trail, ended up following it all the way around Devil's Tower. It's like, well, I think it's only like 2 point something miles, but yeah, we just walked all the way around it, and yeah, the scenery really doesn't change. You know, it's just a bunch of rocks and trees and whatnot, but all the different views of Devil's Tower are pretty cool. Seeing those people climbing the tower, no, no. I'll fly a drone up there. I'll take a helicopter ride up there. Don't really trust helicopters either, really, but yeah, no, I'm not even gonna catch me climbing that. So good on them. We conquered. Time to get back to the bike, get some water, and continue on with our ride. Okay, second gas stop of the day. We're, I think, in Ashland, Montana it is. Originally the plan was to try to make it to Bozeman. We stayed too long at Devil's Tower, but it was totally worth it. You know, we wanted to spend the time there and enjoy it. So I think we're just gonna try to make it to Billings today, and then tomorrow we'll go Billings to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, where Chloe has some family. So yeah, our plan is to keep pushing to Billings another 2 hours. Then we're looking for some dinner, place to crash, do it all over again tomorrow. We made it to Billings, Montana, and we have Snow Maiden Sake, which means we made it to, what is it?
Fancy sushi.
To fancy sushi. Rolls just showed up. Dragon roll and Vegas roll. Bomb. What you got, Dan?
You got the paradise roll. I don't know what's in it.
The party roll?
Angry Bird roll. It's like kind of a party. It's a party in your mouth. Okay, so we asked for more wasabi with our rolls, and we got the mother load. I've never seen this much wasabi in one place.
For size reference?
Gone 2 hours, don't remember how many miles, but it's all been just I-90 freeway. So we've been stacking them up, and we are in Bozeman, Montana. We are at the Feed Cafe, just picked up some mocha, whatever the hex. They are really, really good, not gonna lie. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy these. We got some breakfast coming, and we'll get back on the road. A couple of fuel stops. We should be in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. It's about another 5.5 hours, so just I-90, just cruising. Okay, breakfast was amazing. If you're coming through Bozeman, yeah, you should definitely stop here. Really, really crowded, and it's a certain type of crowd, so
Jesse,
you know.
Don't add that.
I just said it's a certain type of crowd. I didn't say what.
Do not add that.
I didn't say what type of crowd.
Remove that from the edit.
No, that's dead. I didn't say what. Just, you know. Anyways, if you're passing through, eat breakfast here. It's damn good food. We're gonna get fuel, we're gonna get back on the road, and we're gonna ride until we need fuel again. So,
how thick the sourdough was.
Oh yeah, the sourdough was like this thick. So, yeah. Gas, riding, then gas, and then riding. Good morning. We're waking up here in Idaho and we are nearing the finish line. We have about 6 hours to home. It's like maybe 400 miles, so it should go pretty quick. We're all excited to get home, so yeah, we're just gonna get there as quick as possible instead of taking any scenic routes. Getting packed up here, drink some water, and we get on the road.